Now you can see he's taking out this trash. It's really, all it is meat that would prevent us from getting our flavors down in there. The reason why we do it is because we want to maximize the surface area of the actual good meat underneath it. We take it out. If we were just going to cook it to feed the masses, we'd leave all this in. It'd just be meat that you chop up. But now you can see we're getting down to some of that belly meat. You don't want to tear up all that bacon. You know what I mean? That's prime real estate under those ribs.
That is right there.
Yeah, I don't know if it is now. It's got a lot of fat in it.